There are two types of feedback, formal and informal, and you need both to create a high-performing company. My name is Duarte. I'm a business coach and consultant and have been doing this for the better part of 3 decades, and this is what I've learned. The first of the 3 types of formal feedback that I will talk about today is employee evaluations. Now, these should be done at least on a quarterly basis in a meeting where it's just privately between you as a business owner and that employee to discuss both their behaviors as well as their performance in their work, whatever it may be. And you want to make sure that you're aligning your goals and the company's goals with their behaviors and whatever they're doing as well. This is really, really important. Otherwise, you get everyone going in different directions. Now, number 2, in terms of formal evaluations, you have what is called written evaluations. These are outside of the quarterly employee evaluations, and they're the same thing, but they're intermittent. And so maybe even on a monthly basis, every 2 months, you kind of get together with that employee, and you look at their performance and how they're behaving, and again, it's documented. This is really important to also have the employee understand wherever they are in the company and how their standing is. The third type of formal feedback is a 360 feedback. A 360 feedback is different than the other 2 that I just described, because this type of feedback includes feedback from your peers, from your supervisors, even from customers. A 360 feedback is important because it identifies gaps in different areas of how you interact with different people and different parts of the company, including customers. So this allows us to identify those gaps and then address them accordingly in a meeting. Again, very important feedback if you want a high-performing team. The second type of feedback is informal feedback. And in informal feedback, again, I'll discuss 3 types. The first one is verbal feedback. Verbal feedback should be done consistently and regularly. This type of feedback is very informal. It's on the spot. It's things that you are seeing, whatever that person is doing, whether it's good or bad. Make sure that you're not doing it in an attacking manner and that it is productive criticism. I've also provided you with a video on how to do that using the sandwich method, and you can see that on my bio. Just go to my bio and you'll see a video on the sandwich method of feedback. It's really important that you do this properly. Otherwise, you end up damaging relationships between you and your employees. The second type of feedback under informal feedback is informal check-ins. Now, check-ins are important because you want to be able to see the person doing their work without any expectation of you being there, and you're actually seeing how it's working. This is important so that you can see if there are, again, any gaps, any performance issues that you can actually address. You can do this on the spot, or you can go away once you see it. You could also use even text messages to do this, but it is important that you provide informal check-ins and its feedback from that perspective. The last type of informal feedback is peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer is rarely done, but it is important to do so. Even if you do it in a team meeting, if you do it, whether it's on a standing meeting or in a formal meeting, but peer-to-peer is really important because one of the things that it happens is that the people together that are going to be doing this peer-to-peer feedback, they actually get closer together, and so you actually get them to be a little bit better bonded, and that creates a lot of positive energy, positive communication. It definitely increases your productivity because people are going to feel better about each other. Make sure though that when they're doing peer-to-peer feedback, that they're doing it in a productive, constructive way, so that people are not attacking each other. So you have to teach them how to do this properly, but it is a valuable tool. Both informal and formal feedback is very important to make sure that you're getting the best out of your employees. It's important that you do it properly, but it is important that you continuously do it. And you will never find a good and excellent performing company without an amazing feedback program. So it's important that you do it for your company. Hope this is helpful. We'll talk to you tomorrow.